eat the banana, and I'm here to say.
Well, you said get the bananas, but I was like, well, we can't probably eat them today without getting constipated, but that's the plan.
Hey, I can't open the dang things.
Yeah, they're not ready. But they look nice size. It's like, well, we can use them someday. What?
Give me that dang knife so I can cut this thing open.
What? They are hard? Baby, we're gonna be fucked up. That's gonna hurt her stomach. You a hell.
Ask Google, is it dangerous to eat unripe bananas?
Shut up, just shut up. Is it okay to eat unripe bananas that are still green?
Here's what I found.
Is it safe to eat green banana? It's the face, it's only blah, 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 blah. Green bananas are less sweet, contain less sugar, and ripe than ripe yellow bananas.
Good.
They also have more resistant starch, which may benefit the blood sugar management and your overall health. Most people eat bananas while the fruit is yellow and ripe, but green unripe bananas are also safe to eat. However, yeah, that
However,
some people dislike the taste and texture. Green bananas versus yellow bananas. Taste, texture, composition. Summary: green and yellow bananas differ in taste and texture. Green bananas are also higher in starches.
okay.
As the banana ripens, its carb composition changes. Less sugar, more starch. Yeah, that'd be a nice place to park. That's still like 300-400 miles away, huh? Then we can walk the babies.
Yeah, I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna go get a shower and a workout. I'll work out in the shower room.
Okay, work out in the shower room.
Here, drink some of that so I can put ice in there. You can put some of this ice in there with your Energize. It's really good.
Okay.
Making it ice cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it nice cold. Now you get that in a minute. You get some Energize.
That's good.